All right, Providence Mayor Brett Smiley says no ICE on city property unless agents have a valid judicial warrant. He signed that executive order today.
No trespassing signs for ICE are going up on city property within 30 days. And tonight, we're looking into how this might affect federal funding. NBC 10's Molly Levine continues our coverage from Providence tonight. Molly?
Gene and Patrice, Mayor Brett Smiley made it clear that his priority lies with the safety and well-being of his residents, not the fear of consequences from the federal government.
There are kids in Providence who are not going to school. There are people in Providence not going to work for fear of enforcement actions like this.
Providence Mayor Brett Smiley wants ICE to know they're not welcome to operate on city property, including city-owned parking lots, garages, or buildings without a valid judicial warrant, making it clear public spaces are for supporting community, not terrorizing it.
And my responsibility is to them, not to anybody in Washington, D.C.
Those on the other side of the aisle
This just isn't like another sanctuary policy. This is a suicide pact.
say it's a slippery slope.
Federal funding must not, cannot, and will not be given blindly to cities that are defying federal law.
President Donald Trump announced a February 1st deadline to cut federal funding to sanctuary cities that limit cooperation with federal immigration enforcement, and Providence is on that list.
If they want federal funding, they must comply with federal law, and that is with ICE, because they are federal law officers.
Smiley says if ICE wants to detain someone in Providence, they know what they need to do.
As is the case today, if the Immigration and Customs Enforcement presents a valid judicial warrant, we will honor it.
But what if they don't? How will that be enforced?
All of the right general orders are in place, and I trust the training and judgment of our police officers to understand how to de-escalate a situation, that their obligation is to protect the community, and that means every member of the community, including undocumented members, and they will intervene to the best of their ability in a situation like that.
Smiley says that the city will continue to evolve, and he expects to sign more executive orders. For now, Molly Levine live in Providence, NBC 10 News.